Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the Bidfoce Controller for PS4, a wireless gaming controller with some exciting features. We'll take a closer look at its design, performance, compatibility, and all the reasons why it might be a great addition to your gaming setup. The Bidfoce Controller for PS4 boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, ensuring a comfortable grip for those long gaming sessions. The L1 and R1 buttons have a matte finish, providing a satisfying tactile feel and enhancing the overall gaming experience. The non-slip design on the surface of the controller enhances friction, allowing for precise character movements and aiming. This controller is built to last, with high-quality materials used for the buttons and joysticks, guaranteeing over 1 million button presses. It offers advanced wireless communication technology, providing a stable connection with a range of up to 33 feet. With a 1000 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 16 hours of gameplay on a full charge, ensuring uninterrupted gaming sessions. The Bidfoce controller comes packed with exceptional features, including a touchpad, Bluetooth connectivity, a 3.5mm audio jack, a 6-axis gyro sensor, dual vibration motors, an integrated speaker function, and captivating integrated lights. The gyro sensor accurately captures your every move, adding precision to your gameplay. The dual motor vibration feature allows you to feel every crash and explosion, immersing you in the gaming world like never before. This controller is not limited to just the PS4. It's also compatible with the PlayStation 5, note, for PS4 games on the PS5 console, and other Android devices. It supports a wide range of popular games, making it a versatile and cost-effective alternative to the standard PS4 wireless controller. The Bidfoce controller makes for a fantastic gift for birthdays and special occasions, bringing joy to your friends and children. Bidfoce also offers friendly and responsive customer service, ensuring that any post-purchase inquiries or concerns are promptly addressed within 24 hours. So there you have it, the Bidfoce controller for PS4 offers an enhanced gaming experience, unmatched stability and durability, ultimate control features, wide compatibility, and exceptional customer service. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup, this controller is worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews from UK Pro Reviewer. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.